We are born to grow. Whether the world around us is ready to change or not, we have to keep moving. It's time to refresh our minds, bodies, and spirits. It's time to feed our bodies the way they deserve to be fed, with fresh, nutritious food. It's never too late to try something new. And in this spirit of growing upward, we look to vertical farming as a way to grow fresh fruits and vegetables in our own homes. Because it's in our own homes that this new growth began. With Tower Garden, anyone can have access to fresh produce without a trip to the farmer's market. And because tower to table is a much shorter path than farm to table, Tower Garden produce is as fresh as it gets. Help us build a healthier, more sustainable future for your family, your communities, and the world at large. Let's grow together with Tower Garden. It's time to grow.